3 days later.
Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to give you guys a POV drive. I don't know if you guys might be able to tell or hear the new tone of the car, so I want to give you guys a little bit of a POV drive. But yeah, I've been driving the car like this for a while now, so what are you going to do with that? Yeah, well, I'm enjoying it a bit, but the car has a bit of drone. So yeah, still need to sort that out, but the car's not bad, guys. Let's just do this. The car does sound nice, but there is that bit of drone which is not as ideal. But I think we're gonna do like a full stainless steel exhaust system. We'll talk to the guys at Power Pipes or Power Flow, but the car's not bad, guys. But I think it needs something more, so that's what we're gonna do. But yeah, I'll give you guys more of a POV drive and small roads where I can also change gears to give you guys a more clearer sound than now being stuck on the 5th gear. So yeah. Okay guys, I think I have found the street that will give us a proper POV with the sound of the car. So and then we have a taxi driver in front of us looking for people to take. I hope there's no wind noise, or the wind noise is not as bad. Yes guys, I need to find myself. I need to get myself a new GoPro. Not a new one, because I don't have one, but I need to get myself a GoPro. But yeah, really hope you guys can hear the exhaust sound or tone properly. But the sound is not where I want it to be as of yet, because yeah, we just did a back box. So yeah, we are not where we have to be as yet, guys. Not bad, honestly guys, I don't want to lie. It's way better than what we had before. The single pipe, the twin pipe did a vast difference, but it's still not where I want us to be. So I don't know if you guys get that, but yeah, still need to clear with the headers maybe, and get a, I don't know, maybe a bigger stainless steel pipe throughout from the downpipe to the back box. I don't know, we might delete the resonator, but I don't want it to be so obnoxious. But yeah, we'll see, guys. not bad, boys. Let's hear it from the first gear. Okay, Mr. Baki. Thought I was gonna do a little nice pull there for you guys, but the construction had to cut me off, but it's chill. Okay, boys and girls, that's gonna be it for today's video. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. So please make sure, guys, we are still on the same goal and target. Let's get that 5,000 subscriber mark hit quickly. So please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Make sure to click those like buttons, guys, and please do subscribe to the channel, guys. I really hope you guys do. So yes, guys, yeah, see you guys on the next video. Take care, guys. Peace.